In the world of ASO, your app's title and subtitle are prime real estate. They're not just labels, they're strategic assets that drive visibility, clicks, and installs. In this lesson, we'll show you how to craft titles and subtitles that work for both humans and algorithms. Let's start with the app title. This is arguably the most important piece of text in your entire listing. It's the first thing users see, and it carries the most weight with App Store algorithms when it comes to keyword rankings. So how do you make your title work hard for you? First, prioritize your main keyword. The App Store and Google Play both give extra weight to keywords used in your title, so don't waste that space on branding alone. Combine your brand name with your highest impact, most relevant keyword. For example, instead of just Sky Tracker, a better title might be Sky Tracker, Weather Radar, and Forecast. You still keep the brand, but you immediately tell the user and the algorithm what the app does. Keep in mind the character limits, 30 characters for iOS and 50 for Google Play. Be concise but strategic. Avoid fluff. Make every word count. Now let's talk about the subtitle. Your subtitle gives you a second opportunity to rank for additional keywords and further explain the app's purpose or value. Think of it as your secondary headline. If the title is the hook, the subtitle is the value prop. In the subtitle, include secondary keywords that support your primary theme. This is your chance to target longer tail phrases or related benefits without crowding your title. For example, live Doppler maps and storm alerts. Here are a few quick rules to follow. Use title case for both title and subtitle to improve readability. Avoid repeating the same keywords in both fields. It's not only redundant, but also wastes precious space. Stay clear of clickbait or vague promises. The algorithms and users both see through it. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Test everything. Using tools like AppTweak or native A/B testing on Google Play, you can try different versions of your title and subtitle to see which combo gets the best tap-through and conversion rates. A tiny tweak can lead to a huge lift in downloads. In 2025, a winning App Store listing is both data-driven and creative. It's crafted with intent, continuously tested, and aligned with how users search and make decisions. Your title and subtitle aren't static. As trends, seasons, or feature sets change, update them. Keep evolving your messaging as your app evolves. In the next module, we'll explore how to write high-converting descriptions that support your metadata and move users from curious to committed. But for now, go back to your own app listing. Look at your title and subtitle. Are they keyword-rich, clear, and compelling? If not, it's time to optimize. Let's turn that first impression into instant action.